Copper is a major industrial metal because of its high ductility, malleability, very high thermal and electrical conductivity, and resistance to corrosion. It is a nutrient in our daily diet, and its antimicrobial property is becoming increasingly important to the prevention of infection. Here is what you need to know about copper. In nature, copper occurs in a variety of minerals, including native copper, copper sulfides, copper sulfosalts, copper carbonates, and as copper oxides. Around half of the global copper reserves consist of chalcopyrite ore, which is divided into two primary categories: oxidized ores and sulfide ores. The sulfide ores hold greater commercial significance. Copper was the first metal used by ancient cultures, and the oldest artifacts date to the Neolithic period. Copper tools helped early man transition out of the Stone Age. The period that followed is sometimes known as the Copper Age, or the Chalcolithic Age. The shiny red-brown metal was used for jewelry, tools, sculptures, vessels, lamps, amulets, death masks, and many more things. Today, copper is an essential material for clean energy. It is used for wind and solar technology, energy transmission, and electric vehicles. These renewable energy technologies require up to 5 times more copper than non-renewables technologies they replace. Copper conducts electricity better than aluminum, is more durable and less subject to corrosion, and doesn't expand and contract as much, making it a crucial element for many modern applications. There are up to 400 distinct compositions of copper and copper alloys utilized in the manufacturing of various goods and products. It is a mineral that is found throughout the body. It helps our body to make red blood cells, helps form collagen, and keeps nerve cells and the immune system healthy. As of 2022, the top 5 copper-producing countries, Chile, Peru, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, China, and the United States, contributed to 47% of the world's total copper production. In 2023, worldwide copper production rose by 4.8%, reaching 24.5 million tons. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, Peru, and Chile were the key contributors in driving this increase in supply. Global refined copper demand is projected to almost double from around 25 million tons currently to nearly 49 million tons in 2035, with energy transition technologies accounting for about half of the growth in demand. The global production of copper has never reached such high levels in such a brief period, and significant investments in copper mining are necessary to achieve these production goals. Although copper is 100% recyclable, only around 1/3 of the copper used worldwide today is recycled. In Europe, the recycling rate is around 60%. Copper mining plays a crucial role not just for the nations that extract it but also for the sectors that depend on it. But there are also several issues. Copper mining can harm the environment severely. Since copper doesn't break down in the environment, it can lead to accumulation in plants and animals. It can interrupt the activity in soil, negatively affecting the activity of microorganisms and earthworms. Ingesting a high amount of copper, through drinking water, can cause vomiting, nausea, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. Acute industrial exposure to copper fumes, dusts or mists can result in chronic copper poisoning. Despite these negative points, copper is the most important metal for the energy transition and the electrification of the world. Invest in the clean energy future. Invest with Talk Capital Management.